since it is the last set of notes for the chapter, this is the section that's random. Completely and utterly random, so sometimes that can be kind of fun. Okay, so here we go. Capítulo 4, miscellaneous vocab. Woohoo! Alright, start with the top one. Try it. Die Person. What do you think that means?
Person.
The person, yeah. Good. So far so good, right? So to make it plural, add the en. Wie kannst du bitte die Tür zumachen? Okay. Okay, try the next one. Die Stadt. Okay. To make it plural, you add those umlauts to the A and the E at the end. Okay, so it becomes die Städte. Try that. Die Städte. Anybody happen to know that one? City. So, pretty close. Mm-hmm. All right, next one. Das Alter. Guesses? Age. Yeah. So you've seen alt before, and that means old. So Alter is age. Next one. Der Steckbrief. Okay. This one is kind of a goofy word. Brief is the word for a letter, but it's not an actual kind of letter. It's like a bullet point list of information about you. It is a profile, like an online profile. All right. And last one for this slide. Try it. Das Lied.
Das Lied.
That one is the word for song. Told you they were random. Mm-hmm. Now, this one, a lot of people get confused because they think they've heard the word Lederhosen before. You haven't heard Lederhosen, or you shouldn't have. If you did, they said it wrong. Okay? It's Lederhosen, or Lederhose, which is leather pants. Okay? Which both means pants made of leather, as well as, if you look back on the poster, there's a little kid wearing the funny hat and the stuff. It says Bavaria at the bottom. Those are Lederhosen. So that's the traditional German costume, so to speak, for the men. So when people picture Germans, a traditional German, they often picture probably a little bit heftier guy wearing Lederhosen, maybe with a hat, probably with a beer and a brat or a pretzel maybe. Sound about right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Most of Germany, no. Not that at all. If you look down over at the map by Knucklepuck over there, the purple and the green states down at the bottom, Lederhosen, you'll see from time to time down there. When they go hiking and stuff, they actually do wear Lederhosen. Or for festivals and things like that. On occasion, you'll find people who wear it on a more regular basis, especially if they live out in like the rural areas, more very traditional kind of clothing. Or if you're in serious tourist trap area, because they think that's what everybody wants to see. Women have a different version. They have something called a dirndl, which is the dress. You may have seen those dresses before. It also is becoming a little trendier for the ladies to get their own Lederhosen. So you can buy it as a female. It's just a trendier version. It's not traditional. But if you went to the rest of Germany and you wore your Lederhosen around, oh, would you get some looks. Okay? That, we don't have anything equivalent to it, but it's very, very, no. It's just no. So.
That's kind of like the way that Americans think of Germany. How do they think of us?
So yeah. So make sure you know that it is Lederhose. This is a singular pair of leather pants or that kind of costume. So if you say Lederhose, then you have song pants. And that's a very different thing. Okay? All right. Moving on. Next one. Try it. Der Text. Okay? I think that's fairly obvious, yes. Like the text, like the book, the whatever you're reading. Okay? So the text. And the next one, das Wort.
Das Wort.
Anybody remember this one? Word. Good. You had, way back when, the word for dictionary, which was Wörterbuch, book of words. So that's where you may have seen it before. Try the next one. Der Satz
There's a
becomes die Sätze when it's plural. It's the word for sentence. So one of the few examples where the English word is longer than the German. And der Dialog.
dear dialogue.
Try again. Der Dialog. Good. That's a dialogue, conversation. Okay, try the next one. Der Spaß. Okay. Spaß is the word for fun. Okay. This one's a little bit goofy in German. It's easy to say, wir haben Spaß. What do you think that means? Wir haben Spaß.
We're having fun.
We're having fun. Yep. Okay. So you could say, we're having fun, I'm having fun, whatever. But where it gets confusing is that Spaß in German, it's capitalized. That tells you that it's a noun. In English, we use it as a noun as an adjective. So we can say we have fun and it is fun. In German, you can't say it is fun. Okay? So what they say instead is das or es. And you could put something else in there like schwimmen or whatever. Macht Spaß. So whatever it is creates fun. It makes fun. Okay? But you can't say that people do that. Okay? So you say that or it creates fun or makes fun. Literally makes fun, but for us that means something else, right? That means you're making fun of somebody or something like that. Okay, but that's not what it is. So we would say is. Okay. So you could say das macht Spaß, or es macht Spaß, or schwimmen macht Spaß, or Deutsch macht Spaß, okay, or whatever. All right, last set. These are very, very random, even potentially more so than the others. Try the first one, lustig.
Lustig.
Anybody know that one?
Nein.
Funny. Okay, funny as in haha, not funny weird. Okay, if you want that word, funny weird like strange is komisch. Okay. This one breaks down into a couple different tips for pronunciation. Fair,
Fair.
high,
Nein.
raw,
Raw.
and that one's easy, tet.
Tet.
Okay, so try it all together. Verheiratet. It's the word for married. Remember those interview questions? Yeah, so now you can go up to somebody, sind Sie verheiratet? Are you married? Well, if you're going to ask them if they have kids and stuff, you may as well ask them that too. Alright, try the next one. You could probably say that one without me. What is it? Ja, gern. Okay, everybody. Ja, gern. Okay. This would be a response to somebody if they asked you, like if you want to go do something like, hey, do you want to go to the movies on Friday? You could say, ja, gern. It means yes. And the gern means that you want to do something, that you like to do something. So, I'd like to. So you can add the gern to anything to mean that you like to do it. So you could say, ich spiele Fußball. I play soccer. You could say, ich spiele Fußball gern. I like to play soccer. Ich schwimme. I swim. Ich schwimme gern. I like to swim. Whatever it is. Ich lese. I read. Ich lese gern. I like to read. So you just add that gern into it, and it means you like to do it. Okay. Try the next one. Zu Hause. Okay, so it's not zu, but zu. Gotta get the zu. Okay, try again. Zu Hause. There you go. It means at home. Okay, and it implies that whoever you're talking about, they are at their own home. Okay, so if you said ich bin zu Hause, that means I'm at my home. Okay, or er ist zu Hause, he is at his home. Okay. And the last one, you can put this in there, or whatever else. Try that. Hast du Kinder?
Hast du Kinder?
What's that mean?
You have have kids.
Do you have kids? Good. Well, that is the end of that one. Fragen? Gut.